Welcome to this week's Thai Kitchen, a series from my Thai cookbook. This week I'm going to make a nice beautiful prawns with vermicelli and chili jam. The beautiful ingredients you will need for that dish are as follows: prawns, chili, lemongrass, ginger, lime leaves, garlic, vermicelli, tofu, spring onions, shallots, red onion, mint, basil, coriander, celery, tomatoes, chili paste, coconut, milk, lime, sugar and Thai fish sauce. The first thing I'm going to make is the dressing, okay? Now it says on the recipe that you steam the prawns. Yes, the recipe calls for that, but I'm barbecuing mine, so you'll see a slight alternate version of this dish. Okay, so first thing up, I've got to add my sugar. Lime juice, chilies, lemongrass, ginger, garlic, lime leaves, coconut milk, Thai fish sauce. I'm going to let that dressing set for a while I make my barbecue prawns. So I'm going to put my chili paste all over my prawns, just like so. And on barbecue. So that's it, prawns are ready. Set them on the side while I finish my dressing. Okay, so tomatoes, red onion, mint leaves, basil, coriander, celery, shallots, spring onion, vermicelli noodles. So give these a toss like so. And that, my friends, is ready for serving. Right. So taking your fork, just take the noodles and twist them around like so. So you make some kind of a cylindrical shape. Sprinkle with the remainder for garnish. The prawns. Sprinkle them around, just like so. Nice and soft. Can't wait to try these. A bit more garnish. Prawns on top. Sprinkle with some tofu. Wow, that looks incredible, folks. A little bit of chili paste oil. That's my preference. Not too much. This gives it a nice little extra kick, which is what I want. Look at that. Nice. There you have it, folks. Wow. Spicy. Wow. Wow. Yum, yum, yum. What a stonker of a dressing. Sorry, folks. Deliciously wonderful. Amazing. I really, really love that dish. Reminds me of my times in the south of Thailand, Phuket. Sitting by the seaside, enjoying a nice cold beer. Lovely. All these recipes are from my Thai cookbook that have over 100 recipes in them. Some great stories of my trips in Thailand. I did 60, 70 motorbike trips in every corner of Thailand. This is where I learned most of my dishes, on the road, from the people, met some incredible Thai local people. Great super memories. On the work side, dealing with corruption, bent suppliers, death threats and snakes in the office. It's all in there, folks, and you can collect it by clicking on the link at the end of the video. Don't forget, new videos every week. Thanks for watching, folks, and don't forget to subscribe by clicking here right over my shoulder. Bon appetit.